We will regenerate your brain cells and activate your energy to answer any and every question we ask you.
So let's begin.
I am the owner of a pet store. If I put in one bird per cage, I have one bird too many. If I put in two birds per cage, I have one cage too many. How many cages and birds do I have? If you find the question confusing, please read the question again. The answer is 4 birds and 3 cages. Are you finding this confusing? Let me show you how. If you put one bird in each cage, you have an extra bird without a cage. However, if you put 2 birds in each cage, then you have 2 birds in the first cage, 2 birds in the second cage, and an extra cage.